you put your phone. May all your wildest dreams come true, as long as they don't involve waking up before 10 a.m.
Happy 2026. Happy 2026.
May you find true love in the new year, or at least someone who will do your laundry for you. May your bank account and your Wi-Fi signal always be strong.
Happy 2026.
Of caffeine and chocolate. May the new year bring you nothing but good hair days and free parking spots.